Hi, my name is Dylan Foltz, and this is my multimedia discussion board for this week. Today I'm going to be going over the City of Rancho Cucamonga's adopted budget for the fiscal year of 2017 and 2018. This is a list of all of the revenues that the city will be accepting. The total revenues include $207,804,810. The expenditures for the city of Rancho Cucamonga for the 2017 and 2018 year are expected to be $247,411,470. Part of this week's discussion board, we were instructed to find some job announcements within our city. With some research, I found some job opportunities on Indeed, the website Indeed. I also found a list of current opportunities on the Rancho Cucamonga website, which I found was a little bit easier to navigate through. One of the employment opportunities within Rancho Cucamonga that caught my eye was the communications manager position. The department that you'll be working through would be the city's manager's office. The salary would be anywhere from $7,499 to $10,115 per month, and that depends on current qualifications for the job. The job has some pretty good benefits. Medical's included. There's a retirement package. You get vacation time, sick leave, holidays, life insurance, and a tuition reimbursement per year. Some of the qualifications for the job are a bachelor's degree in either public administration, business administration, marketing communications, journalism, or anything that's related to those fields. It does say a master's degree is highly desirable. Some of the job duties would include basically dealing with the public. You are responsible for handling on-camera interviews, press conferences, maintaining all of the social media accounts for the city, as well as all of the websites. Anything to do with the image or presentation of the city is your responsibility. And the last thing I'll be discussing about for this week was one thing that interested me or caught my eye, and I was very surprised at how much the city of Rancho Cucamonga accepts in revenues or earns in revenues and its expenditures. I had no idea that it was in the hundreds of millions. Figured Rancho was a relatively small city. I mean, that I guess I was mistaken. So hope you guys enjoyed the presentation. Have a good week.